Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share 5 simple steps to budget like a pro. Budgeting might sound boring, but trust me, it can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Know your income. You can't budget what you don't know. So gather all your sources of income. This includes your job, any side hustles, and even that birthday money from grandma. Write it all down. Got it? Great! Step 2. Track your expenses. For a month, jot down everything you spend. Yes, even that $5 latte. Break it into categories like rent, groceries, entertainment, and so on. This helps you see where your money is really going. Step 3. Set your goals. What are you budgeting for? Maybe it's a new phone, a vacation, or just building up your savings. Having a clear goal will help you stay motivated and focused. Write down your short-term and long-term goals. Step 4. Make a plan. Now take your income and subtract your expenses. What's left? Allocate that remaining money towards your goals. If you're overspending, look for areas you can cut back. Maybe skip a few takeout meals or shop sales. Step 5. Review and adjust. Budgeting isn't a one-and-done thing. At the end of each month, review how you did. Did you stay on track? If not, don't stress. Adjust your budget for the next month. It's all about progress, not perfection. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to budget like a pro. Remember, budgeting is a tool to help you reach your financial goals and enjoy life without worrying about money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Until next time, happy budgeting!